How can you get faster when working with Adobe Photoshop? Correctly organizing the workspace is an essential step to follow in order to do that. Hello, I am Tommaso, and in today's video I will show you how to customize the workspace in Photoshop. If you don't know me, I'm a wildlife photographer from Italy, and you can have a look at my work on my website and on Instagram. We are ready to start, but before doing this, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on. The workspace is made of a top menu, a tools bar on the left, and some windows on the right. Photoshop program already offers you some default workspaces. You can easily access them by going on the top menu and on Window Workspace. The default workspaces go from Photography Workspace to 3D Workspace to Painting Workspace, etc. Even though these are great workspaces, I think that the best way to work faster with Photoshop is creating your own. By saying this, I mean putting the windows where you want and the tools. Choose the tools that you actually need. At the moment, I'm using the Photography default workspace, but I'll show you how to edit it in a minute. First of all, let's talk about the tools bar. In the tools bar you can find all the tools that you can need in Photoshop, but inside this one they are not actually all, because Photoshop in the Photography default workspace has selected the ones that it thinks are the better ones. The beautiful thing is that you can put the tools that you need in the tools bar and remove the ones that you actually don't use. To do this, just go on the Edit Toolbars. It opens the window Customize Toolbar. Here we have under the Toolbar column all the tools that you see in the tools bar, while under the Extra Tools you have the tools that you are not showing in the tools bar. If you want to make some changes, for example, you don't need the artboard tool, you can just select this and drag it in the Extra Tools column. Another thing you can do is just change the position of these tools. For example, if I want the dodge and the burn tool separated, I just drag the dodge tool up here, and as you can see on the tools bar on the left, the dodge tool has appeared just over the burn tool. Photoshop has put the same letters to more tools, but you can easily change these shortcut letters by yourself. You just need to click on them and put a letter that you actually need. Another thing to notice is that the tools in the Extra Tool column will not be available as the shortcut keys. Once you are satisfied with your result and of the tools that you have put and of the shortcut keys, you just click on Done. Another super useful thing is that the tools you have not put into the tools bar are not disappeared, they are just under the zoom tool here, and you can easily access them by just clicking on them. You can also change the position of the windows in the workspace. For example, if you would prefer to have the tools on the right side, you just drag them and put them where the blue line appears, or if you want them to be free in space, just drag them around. Talking about the windows, you can also add or remove the ones that you don't use. There are two ways of doing this. Going on the top menu under Window, and you just select or deselect the ones that you don't want to see, or go on the specific window, for example the libraries that I don't use, just right click it and give on Close. By dragging the lines that separate each window, you can also change the height and the width of each window, so just drag and change its proportions. When editing some pictures, you also need to change the color of the workspace. For example, if you need to edit a picture for Instagram, just change the background color to white. To do this, just right click on the workspace and go on Select Custom Color. Here you can choose the color that you prefer, and to make it white, obviously go on the white color and give on OK. If you want to go back to the dark gray color, just right click again on the mouse and select dark gray. Then make sure to move around all the windows and remove the ones that you don't use, and just drag them around as you prefer and as you think is more useful and that makes your workflow faster. This is everything for today. If you like this video, please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel and activate the notifications. And if you have time, also have a look at my Instagram and at my website to have a look at my work. Please also leave a comment of what you would like me to do in the next videos. And thanks for watching.